Bubba? You gonna turn over for Mama? Huh? You gonna roll over? You can do it. Yes, you can. Oh, come on, get that little leg going. Get that little leg going. Come on, Bubba. Turn over for Mama. Come on. He's been turning over now. I'll walk away and come back and he'll be on his side. One time he was all the way on his stomach. And he gets his little legs going and gets his little arms going. There we go. Hold on. Let's try it again. Come on, Bubba. You gonna roll over for Mama? Come on. Get them legs going. He loves this little plaything. Nope, here we go, here we go. Come on. Oh, biggie boy. Biggie boy. And he gets his foot on this thing right here, and I think that's what he's using himself to push over on. Come on, Bubba. And it's not scaring him because he's not startled. I think the first time he did it scared him because he cried, but now he's not crying. Hey, Bubba. Boy, he loves playing all the little toys that are hanging on the top of there. Here we go. Here we go. I'm going to say hello to everybody. Say hi, JC. Hi, JC. I just wanted everybody to see him roll over. He's getting big. He's almost 3 months old. But he is a big boy. Look at him. He's already wearing like 3-month-old onesies. Aren't you, Bubba? Aren't you, Bubba? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.